Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you how to perfectly grill your tilapia fish. I've washed the fish off camera, so I'll be taking out the bones, or I'll be deboning it, though the ones I could, I'll be using the kitchen scissors to take it out. Then after that, start mixing the ingredients. In here I have some thyme, also known as timian. I'll be adding these grill spices. You use it to grill anything, meat, fish, chicken. Then I also be adding one seasoning cube. You can use any seasoning powder of your choice. Then I have this smoke flavor. I've been using this a lot anytime I want to have that smokiness in the whatever I'm cooking, except jollof rice. I don't put it in jollof rice, but whenever I'm grilling, I do put it. Then I have some ginger garlic paste. I will be adding some curry powder. Then I follow it up with some olive oil. Then after that, you will mix it to check the consistency. Then if it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water or the smoke flavor or more oil. So I'll be adding more olive oil to lighten it up a bit. Then once you get the consistency you need, you start applying it on your fish. As you can see, I did not put salt. There is a lot of salt in that grill spices, and also there is salt in the seasoning cube, but if you feel that yours still needs a little bit of salt, you can add. Make some cuts on the fish so that the spices will penetrate inside. Then dab out excess water with a serviette and start applying your mixture. Make sure you put it on the cutout and turn it and put on the other side of the fish. Make sure you cover the head as well and inside the fish. Make sure that everywhere is covered with the spices we mixed earlier. Then once you are done, you can grill it, or you can put suya spice like I'm doing. Guys, this suya spice took this to a different level. So after putting suya spices, cover and allow it to marinate for 30 minutes. Please click the like button and share the video. Then pop it inside your preheated oven and grill for 15 minutes on one side in 200 degrees Celsius. Flip to the other side and apply the remaining spices on it. Then put it back inside your oven and grill for more 15 minutes on the other side. Then it's ready. So I've grilled this for a total of 30 minutes and it is crispy outside and juicy inside, and this tastes so good, so delicious that I could have this every day, and it is healthy. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you'll be trying this out. You can pair it with anything. Bye.